Have some lower back pain or stiffness or even sciatica? Well, don't worry, I'm Jace of Defy Fitness, a fitness and lifestyle coach, and I'll demonstrate to you 6 stretches that you can do for pain relief, so stay tuned. So according to an article in Harvard Health Publishing for Harvard Medical School, for most people, time heals and less is more. They found out for most people, roughly 3 out of 4, that their symptoms improved after a few weeks. I'll link the article in the description below if you'd like to read things in more detail. So in general, for your exercises, you want to make sure that you keep them low impact. You want to make sure that your stretches that you do on a regular basis, and for your exercises, you want to ease into the routine, making sure you start off with them gently. You want to avoid any exercise or movements that are high impact or high power. Keep your lifting loads on the lighter side and really try to avoid holding your body in the same position for a long period of time. So as I mentioned, here are the 6 stretches you might want to try for pain relief. Cross your right leg over your left. Pull your left leg inwards. Use your right elbow to press on your right leg. Now switch sides, grab onto the back of your right leg and pull inwards. Use your left elbow to press against your left leg. Cross your left leg over your right. Slowly rotate and drop to your right side. Let's switch sides and cross your left leg over your right and slowly rotate to your left side. Bring your right leg in and twist, putting your shin down on the ground. And gently press forwards. And when you're ready, you can drop down to the elbows for a greater stretch. Now switch legs and bring your left leg in, putting your left shin down. Push your hips down and lean forwards. If and when you are ready, you can lean forwards on your elbows for a greater stretch. Cross your left leg over your right, grab onto the knee and pull it towards your right shoulder. Switch sides and cross your right leg over your left. Pull your right knee towards your left shoulder. Put your right leg over your left, twist to the right side, hugging your leg. You can switch sides, bring your left leg over the right, twist to the left side and hug onto your left leg. Lean forwards, keeping your chest out, shoulders parallel to the bottom of your foot. Switch legs, lean forwards, hinging through the hip, pull your toe towards you. So that's it for today. Remember, try to stick to a regular routine of trying to do your stretches. I'm Jace of Defy Fitness. I'll see you on the next video.